If you met a foreigner, would you want to know his bank account up front before going on a date? Let's say you are dating a foreigner and you find out that your friends message him asking to borrow money. What would you do? Would you date a broke foreigner who has a dream of becoming successful? Be, excuse me, baby, pwede ka ma-interview? Nagmadali ka yate. Be, excuse me, be. Sorry, pwede ka ma-interview? Pwede ka ma-interview kahit 2 minuto lang. Ano lang, 5 questions man lang. Okay lang? Okay, thank you. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? Nagmadali ka. Be, excuse me, be, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. 5 questions lang. Okay. Ma'am, excuse me, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-work kayo. Thank you. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? Hala. Across, beb. Look. Red. Kahit 2 minuto lang. Ano lang, 5 questions lang. Naunta ka pang coffee after. Okay lang. Sige na. Pero na edad mo, ma'am? Ha? Pero na edad mo? 23. 23. Okay, okay lang. Yeah. Okay lang naman kita, ma'am. Di ka na nagmamadali. Di man. Subilang pa siya, ma'am, ha? Di kita, ma'am. Di man, ano man lang, 5 questions man lang. Sabi ko, nag-outfit ka. Sabi ko na, hindi ko siya doon. Sabi ko, ay ako, magandang outfit ni ate. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Kacey and I'm 23 years old.
Kacey, you're so pretty. She's very pretty, guys. Very pretty. If you met a foreigner, would you want to know his bank account up front before going on a date?
For me, definitely is no. I'm not asking for the bank account of any man because I have money. I can provide of myself.
That you can provide for yourself. Interesting. Okay.
Pay my own bills.
At the age of 23,
Yes, I have work already. I'm working student.
a foreigner tells you on the first date that he will buy you anything you want in the world. What's your reaction?
For me, it's a very fulfillment na ma-experience yung ganon. Lalo na, I don't have yet experience for the being treated right of man.
Oh no! You never experienced being treated right.
Yes. And yeah, and if someone's do it for me, I'm really appreciate that.
Let's say you are dating a foreigner and you find out that your friends message him asking to borrow money. What would you do?
For me, I will ask my friend first and why she borrow money. And for my own opinion is my friends need to talk to me first about that before going to my boyfriends.
Your foreign partner is wealthy and insists on building a home for your family. What's your reaction?
It's a warm for me to have a boyfriend like that because it's hard to find a man like that, a man who can give you anything that you want. And for me, I will love him and I will treat him back to the right ano.
So you're gonna accept the home that he's gonna build for your family.
Yes. Yes.
You'll accept it.
Yes, I will accept that.
Okay. Would you date a broke foreigner who has a dream of becoming successful?
Of course, I will.
Are you single or are you in a relationship right now?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
1 month.
Months, okay. So you mentioned earlier that you never experienced being treated right? How many boyfriends you had?
2.
Just two. What are you studying?
Tourism.
Tourism.
Yeah.
What year are you now?
Fourth year college.
Graduating. Advance. Advance congratulations. And you also mentioned that you are a working student. May we know what's your job if it's okay?
I'm a crew from McDonald's. Yes. Diversion Naga Rojas.
That's very like you're strong, right? You're studying, you're working, very good. Since you're single, do you want to be friends with like foreigners?
Yes, of course. I
Okay, so uh is it okay to interview you for members only video?
yes, of course.
Okay, so guys, see you on members video. We're gonna interview her. So see you later. Bye bye. Excuse me. Pwede ka ma-interview? Na-interview ka na, no? Can you please tell us your name and how old are you?
Jem, I'm 24.
So Jem is actually this is her second time here, guys. So for those who remember her, say hi.
Hello.
If you met a foreigner, would you want to know his bank account up front before going on a date? Just yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No.
I think it's not necessary to know his bank account. It's it's his personal life. Personal.
Okay. A foreigner tells you on the first date that he will buy you anything you want in the world. What's your reaction?
Overwhelmed, but I don't like it.
Let's say you are dating a foreigner and you find out that your friends message him asking to borrow money. What would you do?
I'm gonna I'm gonna confront my friend before I confront him because I don't know if I'm gonna say you should borrow him. Okay.
What do you mean you should borrow?
If you want to borrow, then go. I don't care.
You don't care. Okay, you don't care. So you support your friend borrowing money to your, let's say, your foreigner boyfriend.
No.
You don't support? Or but you said earlier you don't care.
I don't care his money. If he say go, if he say yes, then yes for me.
Okay, I just want to know one. So it's okay for you that your friend is messaging your foreigner boyfriend to borrow money. It's okay.
No.
Okay, that's what I just want to clear because I'm confused. You said it's okay because it's not your money, like this, like that. But if your friend is messaging, it's not fine.
It's not fine for me.
Okay. Okay. Next, your foreign partner is wealthy and insists on building a home for your family. What's your reaction?
I'm not accepting though because we're not. If we're married, then go. If we're not, then we're not.
Would you date a broke foreigner who has a dream of becoming successful?
Maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know.
No. Okay, she's 24 years old. What's your job again, ma'am? Sorry.
Jem po.
I don't know. What's your job?
Job, promoter po sa Globe.
Promoter Globe. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Pwede ka ma-interview? YouTube. Street interview. Ano lang, 5 questions lang. Okay lang? Ano lang, about dating man lang. Ano lang?
Okay lang.
Alam, basic English. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Sel, 27 years old.
How are you tonight, Sal?
I am good.
Okay. So here's the first question. If you met a foreigner, would you want to know his bank account up front before going on a date?
No, it doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter, yes.
So doesn't matter. It's like you're not gonna check it, right?
No.
No. Okay. Is it common for Filipinos to not to check the man's bank account or foreigner's bank account before going on a date with him?
I think some of the girls might want to check, but some just wants to, to find the real love and genuine love. That's all.
Now, a foreigner tells you on the first date that he will buy you anything in the world that you want. Now, what's your reaction?
It's I'm it's kind of overwhelming, but I am not a materialistic girl, so um I might be shocked. I think yes, and but kind of kind of sus for me. That's just for me po. My reaction.
Let's say you are dating a foreigner and you find out that your friends message him asking to borrow money. What would you do?
Um, again, can I?
Okay, let's say you are dating a foreigner and you find out your friends message him asking to borrow money. What would you do?
I will first I will what's the word? Um warn my friend, my foreigner friend, and tell him not to lend him her some money. Yes, that's what I do.
So you're gonna warn the foreigner.
Yes, the foreigner. I will warn the foreigner.
How about your friend? Are you gonna say something to her?
Of course, that it's very shameful to and it's gonna it will make us you know um it will make us look like you know uh kind of gold digger like that. That's the trademark for the kind of for this country, just because we are in a third world country. So yes.
Your foreign partner is wealthy and insists on building a home for your family. What's your reaction?
My reaction will be nothing. Yes, I'm not very, I'm not very familiar with that feeling, because we know that I am independent. I am an independent girl, and of some guys thinking that they're offering that kind of, they are building a house for me. See, I
Would
don't
you
know.
accept it?
Maybe, but as an independent girl, I will always think that um, there will always be, parang kapalit
In
and
exchange.
exchange. Yes, I will always think of that. But
But he's wealthy.
wealthy, I might just say that a simple house is okay.
Simple house is
Yes,
okay.
a simple house is okay.
Okay. Would you date a broke foreigner who has a dream of becoming successful?
Yes, I will. I might. Because a guy who is willing to do anything for you, not every guy is rich, but it is very rare to find a guy who is a provider and wants the best for you.
So definitely yes. You mentioned that you're independent. You're 27 years old. Are you working?
Yes, I am.
May we know what's your job if it's okay?
I am actually a teacher, but I am not teaching right now. So I am in a service industry field. I'm in a service industry as an auditor.
Auditor. Okay. Teacher. That's a good okay. Okay. Are you single mom or do you have a boyfriend?
I am a single mother, but I have a boyfriend. I am a solo parent, but her dad, we are not kind of good we're not. But I have a boyfriend right now.
Have a boyfriend, okay, solo parent, single mom. But anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time, ma'am. She's very kind, right? She said yes. When
For my English.
Okay, we really appreciate it. It's really seldom for us to find someone who is like 27, 28, or, you know, someone who is a little older. Usually we get 18, 19. So we're thankful. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Hopefully we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.